Hey everybody, this is Rafi from Leveled Up Learning. Happy to be back with you, and I wanted to share with you an update on our progress. As always, we ask that if you like our videos and you like what we're doing, please give us a like. Please subscribe so you can get updates on what we're doing and see what we're up to. And please share with your friends. That would be very helpful to us to get more exposure and get people seeing what we're doing. And of course, lastly, as part of that little pitch there is if you can, donations are welcome. We are an 801c3 nonprofit, and your tax-deductible donations will go towards helping us continue to make PPE as well as keeping our operations going. And hopefully as soon as we come out of this, it'll also help us be able to continue to provide quality maker education to everyone that we can. As always, we're working hard every single day, and we have currently delivered over 1,200 pieces of PPE to frontline staff. We've made several adjustments to the different PPE that we've been providing based on user feedback. Nothing really major, but a lot of really helpful input, and we really appreciate not only what you guys are doing, because it's really obviously important to us all, and we want you to be safe, but I just can't thank you guys enough, all the frontliners out there that we're providing this equipment to, for even being able to take the time to go above and beyond and even give us some input to be able to help make our donations better for you, as well as spreading the word. So we're supplying PPE to probably double the amount of organizations that we were even 2 weeks ago. And so that's pretty significant for us as well. One of the other things that we're really excited about, and I just released a video the other day about, is our new prototype for a PAPR, which is a pressurized air purifying respirator. And what does that do? What that does is it provides a powered fan that actually pulls fresh air through a filter and delivers it to you. So makes wearing a mask much more comfortable. It can be used with just a mouth and nose mask. It can be a full face shield. The higher end industrial units are like you see in the big hazmats that completely isolate people from getting any sort of outside air from any other source. So our initial prototype we're putting together is to become a open source design that's low cost that anybody should be able to make for themselves, but we're also going to be offering them and hoping to be able to actually go into production as soon as possible to provide them to individual consumers as well. So if you like what we're doing, please, any donation helps for us to continue to develop these products for the good of everybody. Additionally, for every $250 donation, we will be sending that person one of our PAPRs once they're put into production. Our goal is to get the ultimate retail price below $200 each for these units. If you look online, a lot of the PAPR units that are available are $800, over $1,000 each. So we hope to be able to have at least the basic module that provides the air to the consumer for less than $200, ideally less than that. And we really think that would be a game changer for everyone to be able to be more comfortable wearing masks and just be safer. In addition to that, our design is hopefully going to be very modular and universal, so you can use it virtually with any mask that you choose. So we're really excited about that. I'm linking the video. You'll see it somewhere around here. There'll be a link directly to the video if you want to see more information on that initial prototype. And please, again, subscribe and follow, because we'll be providing all the updates as we continue to build them, as well as once we're able to get it to the point where we have a really good quality shareable design, you'll be able to download those designs as well and make your own. So we're really excited about that. We're really excited about the progress we've made, and we're just really grateful for all of the makers around the world and all of you all who decided that you're going to pitch in, whether you're sewing masks or just even providing the encouragement via social media or sharing our posts. It's all helpful and it's all positive. So thank you all again for taking a look at what we're doing and supporting us. Be safe, stay home, and be kind. See you later.